Meaning of ginger.
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 Ginger. Ginger has multiple meanings, but the most common one refers to a plant with aromatic and spicy roots used as a culinary spice and for medicinal purposes. The root contains gingerol, which is known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It has a pungent and hot flavor and is often used in Asian cuisine to add a unique taste to dishes. Ginger also has a long history of traditional medicinal use, and studies suggest it may help with nausea, vomiting, and other digestive issues. Overall, ginger is a versatile and flavorful ingredient with potential health benefits.